Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows, and in this video I'm going to be covering another Facebook advertising tutorial where I will be showing you how to find videos to use with your Facebook ad campaigns, and this is how I personally find my videos to use. So let's get into it. So here's what I use to find video ads. I use pexels.com to find free stock videos to use in my campaigns. They have a ton of great videos that you can use in your Facebook ads campaigns. All you gotta do is type in a few related keywords or phrases for the offer that you're promoting, and then just spend some time and do some research. So if you're promoting an educational offer, you type in something like school or online class. If you're promoting like a car loan offer, you type in cars, trucks, driving, roads, etc. You get the point. And then they'll come up with a whole bunch of free videos that you can use in your campaigns. So now I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how I use pexels.com to find great videos to use with my Facebook ads campaigns and how you guys can do the same thing. So I'm going to hop into that right now. Alright, so here we are. It's pexels.com and then /videos, because with Pexels I'm pretty sure you can also do free photos. I don't really use Pexels for the photos just because I mostly use them for videos. But so you remember in the previous videos I went over an example. I showed you how to create redirect pages and how to create conversion campaigns, and this was the landing page for like a simple auto loan offer that's got a quiz. It's a simple quiz style two question quiz funnel, and those work really good for Facebook ads with affiliate and CPA marketing. And I'd say 80 to 90% of the landing pages that I use are the quiz style landers. So anyways, let's get into this. So if I was promoting an auto loan offer and I was using that landing page and I got everything set up, and let's say I was using image ads and it just quite wasn't getting me profitable, well then I'd try to spice it up with some video ads. And I would simply just come over here and the first thing I'd type in would be car. And then right away you can see all these videos of the free videos of cars. And if you hover over the image or the video, it'll start playing. So this is a Mercedes car road trip video. That's what it's labeled. It's pretty awesome. I don't like using flashy cars for like regular car loan offers because I like to use something more realistic like a normal car. So I would just spend anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour going through all these videos, and then when I'm hovering over them, I just like to picture would this make sense for what I'm promoting. So for this, I could see myself downloading this video and maybe going into my video editing software and say, are you looking for a new car? And then down here, get approved for an auto loan today. Then another text saying, click the link below to get started. So that's what I'm thinking when I am looking at these videos. So another good one would be like this close-up of a key going into the key slot. The more unique the video it is, the more it'll retain the user's attention, because remember, you only got 3 to 5 seconds to actually stop someone from scrolling on their Facebook or Instagram feed. So I could see this being pretty unique with the text saying get an auto loan today, and then having an arrow down to the call to action button. So that would have potential. This is an aerial view of a busy street. I don't think I would use that. What is this? So that might have some potential. Another sports car. What's this? Close-up video of moving car wheel. That could work. Yeah, I could see that. Man driving with the hand out the window. That would be really good. I could see that doing well with an auto loan offer. So you get the point. Just go through and I just typed in car, but you could type in driving, and then go through. A lot of these might be the same videos that popped up for the car search, but look at this one. The driver behind the steering wheel of a Chevy. That would be really nice. And then you could do some advanced targeting. So you could target people who are interested in auto financing, and then also match narrow your search to people who are a fan of Chevy. So you could target this video saying are you looking for a new Chevy? Click the link below to get approved for an auto loan, and then you got that they're looking for an auto loan because that's what their interest was when in your Facebook ad set targeting, and then it also must match the Chevy interest. Like, that's powerful stuff right there. Definitely take advantage of that type of stuff. So this one right here, so I live in Minnesota and it's like winter for like 7 to 8 months here, so I'm so used to seeing like snow covered trees. But like, what you wouldn't want to do is like run this ad throughout the whole US, because like people in Florida will see this and be like, what the heck, what is this doing in my news feed? And then on the flip side, if you're promoting an offer that only allows traffic from northern states like Minnesota, Wisconsin, North Dakota, or whatever, like northern states that obviously get a lot of snow, then this would make sense. So you gotta just use common sense when you're looking for videos to use. A woman driving car in broad daylight, that'd be good just to have a little text right here saying get an auto loan today. Got someone driving a motorcycle, I wouldn't use that. This one could work. Let's see how long this one is. This one's 10 seconds long. So the radio's playing in the background of this video, so I would put this into my video editing software. I use Camtasia Studios, but there's a lot of free stuff that you can use, and I would just silence. Yeah, I'd silence the audio, and maybe I could add in my own background music if I wanted to, but then I would also edit in some text in here. So to download, all you gotta do is click over here, and they'll give you an option to do the original size, or like Quad HD or Full HD. I'm just gonna do original, and then I'll click on free download. Alright, so I got that downloaded, and then optionally they say thanks to Welton, set a link back to this video. You can use the following text. You can do that if you want. So I'm gonna find another video. That one looks interesting. I saw another good one up here. What happened to that? Alright, this was the one that I was thinking of. It's 10 seconds long, and it's just a person driving on an empty road. So I like that one too. So I would just come and download it the same way, free download. Alright, so that's downloading, and then, you know, just spend some time going through, and then like up here they'll have related search terms. So like car, road, driver, traffic, road trip, drive, cars, travel, etc. Just spend some time and find some ads that you think would work well. So that's how easy it is to find video ads to use with your future Facebook advertising campaigns. And one more time, the website that I'm using is pexels.com/videos. So make sure to check that out if you want to spice up your Facebook ad campaigns with video ads. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, comment if you have any questions or concerns, and lastly, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.